Put the profits in my face. Drop it low, that's a sale. Bounce that cash, that's a sale. She love the hundreds, I can tell. Back office looking right. Cryptocurrency her type. Now all my coins get swiped.
Y'all ready? Make that noise go live. Make it now. Make it now. Make it now. Make it now. Now. Here come the charts. Here come the charts. Here come the charts. Mention me in your mentions. Mention me in your mentions. Here come the charts. Oh yeah, you see the Marcus Live logo. You see the Marcus Live logo. Don't be tripping. Don't be tripping. You know we ripping. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
Shake. Yeah, we finna shake the bank. Turn her up cause she pranked.
What?
TP getting spanked. Grab her pips by the waist. Bust it down for the trade. Put the profits in my face. Drop it low, that's a sale. Bounce that cash, that's a sale. She love the hundreds, I can tell. Back office looking right. Cryptocurrency her type. Now all my coins get swiped.
All right. Let's go, let's go.
All my bitches having BBL, got a truck driver with a CDL. I'm a cost flavors, I'm a make sales, I'm a crypto moguls, yeah, they call them well. I just got Solana, then I took the profit by the baby, talking fucking bad bitches. I got a crazy roster and the rose and the trenches.
Let's go, y'all ready? Y'all ready?
On the unit squad, I play with real, talking about 50 bags, keep the truck rolling.
Are y'all ready?
I keep buying diamonds, labels keep calling, but I'm never signed. Till I tell them how they gonna keep flying, till I'm satisfied, they gonna keep dying.
Are y'all ready?
Like a gun license, got me scamming, brain drug, keep the price.
Shake. Yeah, we finna shake the bank. Turn her up cause she pranked. TP getting spanked. Grab her pips by the waist. Bust it down for the trade. Put the profits in my face. Drop it low, that's a sale. Bounce that cash, that's a sale. She love the hundreds, I can tell. Back office looking right. Cryptocurrency her type. Now all my coins get swiped. Throw that fat stacks on the floor.
We're gonna get this going.
Count the money in your
for a
hand.
second.
Don't get a paper cut. Throw that fat stacks on the floor. Pick it up. Count the money in your hand. Don't get a paper cut.
All right, we get this going, man. We get this going. How y'all doing? How y'all doing this morning? Welcome. Thank you so much for being on the live. Thank you so much for being on the live. Listen. We're going to get Colors Basics started this morning. I'm glad that you have decided to join us this morning. We have a class that's going on this morning, getting you this we have so much going on this morning. I'm excited to have all of you join us. And we're going to get this going. So I want you to take notes on what we're looking at as I begin to go over colors. How many of you, this is your first time being on a colors platform with Doc Spills? If this is your first time being on with Doc Spills, let me know. If this is your first time being on with Doc Spills, let me know. If this is your first time being on with Doc Spills, let me know. Type in the number 1 if this is your first time. I'm looking for first timers here this morning. We do have some first timers on. Thank you. All right, we have some first timers. I love first timers that are on, and I'm happy that you have decided to join. All right. Now, this is what we're doing this morning. This morning, we're going to cover just price action this morning. We're going to go over some price action strategies, not the actual indicator, but just showing you how price action works, what we're doing with price action, and how these indicators are working with price action. So we're going to look at USD CAD today, and we're going to go definitely to the day chart, which is one of my favorite charts to trade from. We're also looking at this from the day chart perspective and kind of see where price is and where price has been flowing as we just study price action today and give you that next level training on colors. I'm ready for level training on colors. Who's ready for the next level training? Who's ready for the next level training? And why we need to have that next. All right, now listen. We have some new tools that are coming out. How many of you heard of the GOAT ticker? How many of you heard of the GOAT ticker? How many of you heard of the GOAT ticker? We have some new things that are coming out. How many of you have heard of the GOAT ticker? Come on. How many of you heard of the GOAT ticker? I'm looking to see it. Yes, sir. How many of you have been taking the trade ideas from the GOAT ticker? How many have been taking trade ideas from the GOAT ticker? How many of y'all have been taking trade ideas from the GOAT ticker? All right. Now, if you've been taking the trades from the GOAT ticker, this is our new trade service. How many of y'all are familiar with our new trade service this morning? We have a new trade service this morning. How many of y'all are familiar with our new trade service? All right, not sure how to use the GOAT ticker yet. All right, now that the GOAT ticker is running, this is the GOAT ticker. It's running right now. And you see it running across your screen on Go Live. Not only do you see it run across the screen, our guests see it run across the screen as well. Well, let's make sure our guests see the GOAT ticker as well. I want them to understand this is the GOAT ticker. We've made some modifications now to where you can now see, watch this. I want you to see this. This is pretty awesome. Where you can now see the GOAT ticker here. And what's happening is we're sending our trade ideas right now through this particular format. So we'll give you an example. Randy will go ahead and type in a particular trade setup that we're sending right here on the GOAT ticker. Now, this is someone's second time here. We're going to show you how to use it. Now, how many? Oh, someone's 3 out of 3. Go ahead and type in, from taking these trade ideas, what's your record using the GOAT ticker? What is your record using the GOAT ticker? You're 3 of 3. I see someone's 3 out of 3 using the GOAT ticker. Is anyone else? What have you using the GOAT ticker? We're going to show you how to use the GOAT ticker. 1 of 1, 2 of 0. All right, 2 out of 2. All right, very good. Very good. All right. We're going to show you how to use these trade ideas that we send here. So we send trade ideas here now. We send the trade ideas right here that goes across your screen right here. So as soon as you live into the program, look, these people up, all right, 1 in 1. All right, they haven't lost one. All right, they've won their trades. Very good. We haven't had any losses. Very good. All right, 1 of 1. All right, look at this. So they're taking these trades from the GOAT ticker, and there it is. There's GBP, JPY right there, and this is a test only. So now we're showing you the GOAT ticker. This is what we're doing now, guys. You're going to start paying attention to this live feed right here, because this live feed is the GOAT ticker. And what it's going to do is it's going to start sending you the trade setups right there on the GOAT ticker live. How many of you are impressed right now with the GOAT ticker? How many of y'all can start seeing this like, oh my God, they're going to start sending trades right here. Now, your alerts come through Pip Talk. So if you are connected to our Pip Talk channel, if you're connected to the Pip Talk, you're going to get goated and floated with this particular service. How many of y'all catch it? How many of y'all ready to get goated and floated? I'm telling you right now, there are already people who are taking it. There are people who are taking the trade ideas from the GOAT ticker, and because we've taught them how to use the actual GOAT ticker, listen to this. Because we've taught them how to use it, you see what they're doing. If I was you, I'd be inviting people on this live. This would be a live that I would definitely be inviting people on. If I was you, I would definitely be inviting people on this live. If I was you. This would definitely be the live that I would be showing people about the GOAT ticker. Doc Spills is going over the GOAT ticker. Y'all need to see this. He's going over the GOAT ticker. Y'all need to see this. So then, this runs all day, every day. Somebody say all day. Somebody say all day. So what will happen is it will run for an hour. Watch this. You'll get this signal for an hour. For how long? 1 hour. Now, because it runs all day, we can drop signals here 24 hours a day. Watch this, 7 days a week. I want y'all to catch this. How many of y'all seen this? And it's going to scroll across here, and it's going to tell you exactly what to look for. So now you're going to get the alert in your Pip Talk. We're going to use Pip Talk for what it's supposed to be used for. If you subscribe to my Pip Talk, right, you're going to get an alert on your phone. How many of y'all liking these alerts coming to your phone? Come on. How many of y'all are liking these alerts coming to your phone? If you're subscribed to Pip Talk, you'll be getting it. All right, let's trace it. If you're getting the alert of Pip Talk on your phone, type in the number 1. If you're getting a Pip Talk alert, type in the number 1. Now you're seeing it. So they're getting the Pip Talk alert. So if you're subscribed to Pip Talk, you get this alert on your phone. When that alert comes in, it's going to let you know the GOAT ticker has a live trade on it. Live trade idea. Someone says, I'm subscribed, but no alerts. We'll check on that. Right? Make sure you subscribe appropriately, but it's going to come across the screen. Are y'all seeing this? It's just going to come across the screen, and this is how I'm giving my... I remember I used to run something called Push 1000. How many of y'all remember something called Push 1000? Do you remember this? I used to run something called Push 1000. How many of y'all remember Push 1000? Is there anybody that remember when Doc Spills used to run an alert service called Push 1000? Does anybody remember that? Now, this is Push 1000 all over again. I need you to hear this. This, for those of you who remember, this will be Push 1000 all over again. So if they're subscribed to Pip Talk, they can go in Pip Talk, get the alert on Pip Talk, go look at the Go ticker, get the trade idea right on their phone, good to go. We have just reinvented Push 1000 all over again. Yeah, we got Push 1000 all over again. You can then take this alert, and it's on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How many of y'all ready? How many of y'all ready to use the Go ticker? So I just took Push 1000 days. I just dropped Push 1000 right here on everybody. Well, I'm gonna tell you what Push 1000 was. Can I tell you what Push 1000 was? As we go over this particular strategy, because then I'm gonna go over the strategy once I show you how to use it, okay? Push 1000, right? Let me show you why was it called Push 1000? Because we were making P1000s. That's what's called Push 1000. It was called Push 1000 because I was pushing to make P1000s with the signal service. And so that's why it was called Push 1000. So now everybody knows why it's called Push 1000. All right. It says new alert. Do y'all see new alert? All right. So then I want y'all to see what's happening. This is a trade alert. This is not a practice. See it? This is a live one. So now let's go look at it. Right? It's a 3-minute scalp on AUD-JPY. So let's go look at it. Let's see how the trade idea sets up. Let's go look at AUD-JPY 15-minute chart. So we just got a Go ticker alert on AUD-JPY. Let's go look at it. Let's go look at it. We just got an alert. Are y'all ready? Let's go look at it. We just got an alert. All right. That alert just came in on AUD-JPY, dropped down to 3-minute time frame. The box is not showing up. Is the box showing up on yours? Is the box showing up on yours? I'm checking my team to see if the box is showing up. Box on 15. Wrong trade, Doc. I guess I am. Am I in the wrong trade? There we go. Got it. All right, let's drop to the 3. I'm taking the scalp buy above this level. Just like that. So I have the pullback where I'm seeing my equity level at, scalp buy on that level, right? Right, where's the TP? Y'all know how we do our TPs, right? Let's describe it. Let's go through it. Y'all want to catch this? This is awesome, man. How many of y'all loving this right now? How many of y'all loving this right now? How many of y'all loving this right now? How many of y'all loving this? Come on, y'all finna see how to do it. right? We're on a 3-minute chart. We have red, we have do green, it ain't lining up. How many of y'all see it's not lining up? How many of y'all see colors not lining up? How many of y'all see colors not lining up? We have the 4-hour, we're all going against the 4-hour time frame that's showing us a sell. So this is a scalp retracement. I already know it's a scalp, it's a retracement trade. I'm looking for 3 to 10 pips of profit on this scalp retracement trade. The overall TP goal is here because we trade from EC to what, guys? Come on, how many of y'all remember the training? What do we trade from EC to what? From EC to what? There we go. That's all our TPs because we know EC is nothing but volume. So we go from volume to volume. That's how we trade. We trade from volume to volume or EC to EC. How many of y'all got that? How many of y'all remember this? See? People always ask, where are the take profits? Where are the take profits? The take profits is where the volume level is, and the volume level is where the engulfing candle is. How many of y'all now know what we're waiting for? How many of y'all now know what we're waiting for? Now, if this was me and I am a high probability trader, right, that's what I'm doing. I mean, I will put a buy stop order as a suggestion here because I would like for it to break and then retest and then go up for my, right? I want to break and retest here, right? Now, the buy stop just says, I don't want to wait for the break and the retest. This is a strategy. The buy stop says, well, I don't want to wait for the break and the retest. I just want to put the buy stop right here. Market execution says, I want to wait for the break. I want to let it retest, catch it. So those of you who are using pending orders, your pending order will go here. Your PO would here somewhere above that level, right? I can't tell you where, but just somewhere above that zone. Where's my stop loss? At the volume level, which is here. Right? There's a engulfing candle here that's holding that trade. Right? Now, you can do your risk to reward, looking for a short position. Oh, for a long position. That was done. It's about 13 pips of profit there. Look at that, right? And the stop loss will be under there. Yep. That's good risk reward. How many of y'all see the risk reward here? If I'm going all the way up to here on this 3. Is that good? How many see your risk to reward ratio right here? That's what I want you to see, your risk to reward ratio. That's the most important, the risk to reward, right? So what I want you to see is your risk to reward ratio. Now, this is important. I want you to catch this. This is important. How many of y'all are writing notes on this? I want you to write notes on this. I need you to write notes on this. I want you to write notes on this. I want to show you something. It's supposed to be a scalp, right? I want to show you something on the scalp. And it's important that we take notes on this. Now, let's say we go from, and I'm going to mark this up. And we're going to take that about above that level to here. That's about 30 pips there. I'm looking at 30 pip stop on it, but we're talking about a scalp, so I'm going to show you how to refine it. With a potential gain of about by 21. What? We're looking at about 30 for 30, 1 for 1 on the total setup. But if you're scalping it, which is what our students do, we'll look for this move here. Now let me take you inside the trade. How many I want to go inside the trade, see it deeper? Let's go inside. I was looking for my boy, if he's here. Oh, y'all blew this Zoom up. Are y'all ready? Y'all done blew this up. Y'all loving it? There he is. That's what I've been looking for. Give me a second. Y'all give me a second. I got a surprise for y'all. That thing going up. Whoa, y'all catching this? Are y'all seeing it? Let's watch it goes up into this level. Are you there, bro? Broski.
I'm here. What's going on?
Wait for the colors to line up. What are we waiting for? I'm telling you, wait for the colors to line up. Do you see this trade on this live screen? We just got off the go ticker, right?
Yeah, I see that.
What's up? Hey, y'all do me a favor. I need y'all to drop in 7s, 7-11s, 7-11s, 7s. Wait. I know he got, how many people you got on your live? Ain't no telling how many people listen to him right now. Let's drop 7s for the one and only Trinidad Talk. Make some noise. Hold on. They're dropping 7s all over the place. The 7s are coming in strong. Look at all these 7s. Do y'all see the 7s? They're going crazy in here right now. They're going crazy in here right now. This thing's gonna turn green. They're going crazy in here right now.
Are you telling me the gold ticker just called out a buy on AJ?
Yes, it did.
And it is now in profit. This has changed the game, truly. A true game changer.
I'm watching what's happening now. Are y'all watching this live? Somebody's up 4 pips right now. Somebody blue right now. Mind blown. Whose mind is blown? Blue Nation. Is the Blue Nation here? Is there anyone here from the Blue Nation? Is there anyone here from the Blue Nation? It's pretty cool. Goat ticker. The goat ticker. The goat ticker. The goat ticker. Gooted and fluted. Now, if you already up 4 pips, then you've scalped, and that is the appropriate way to scalp. If you're already up 4 pips, that is a scalp. That is the appropriate way to scalp. If you're already up 4 pips, if you're already up 4 pips, if you're already up 4 pips, that's HFX clearing. Wait. Hey, Brandon. This is live.
What up, Doc?
This is live. This is happening live right in front of everybody. Brandon.
What's going on?
This is happening live.
This is history in the making, Doc.
Hey, I told him something. I say, B, you remember Push 1000?
Do I?
We just made the GOAT ticker Push 1000.
Yeah, I got people in my chat saying Push 1000 2.0.
Yes, Push 1000 2.0. It's like Push 1000 on steroids. Oh, it's still going up while everybody watching. So, hey, I just want to say, congratulations, those of you who took that trade idea that came in from the Go Ticker. Somebody got 5. Already go with 5. All right, type in if you're blue and type in if you're more than 3. Type in if you're blue, type in more than 3. Now, we're not calling live trade ideas. This wasn't a live trade. We're showing you how to use the strategy. We're not calling live trades. We're just showing you how to use the strategy. This was not a live trade. This is how you do the risk to reward. This is how you use the GOAT ticker. This is how you do it on your own. I didn't tell you when to enter, didn't tell you when to exit, didn't do any of that. Just told you what to do and how to use the strategy. How's that going for you guys? Or you understand how to use the strategy now? All right, now, I want to ask you something. Brad, I got to do this, man. I got to do this. I want to ask y'all something. I want to ask y'all something. I want to ask y'all something. And Brad, I need you to help me on this.
What's up?
When they took the GOAT ticker, I don't know if it went, but I think it went up. I think it went. I think it went up, Brandon. Brandon. Wait.
What's up, dog?
Brandon, I think it went up, Brandon. Wait, hold on. What? This is the Trade Morning Show. What did your account do this morning? What did it do? What? Huh? Brother, I don't think they heard me. I need to ask you. What did it do this morning? Come on, y'all help me out. Come on. Ernest. Oh. I don't care if you're at the airport. I don't care if you're at home. I need you to stand up. I need you to get up. I need you to wake up and get some awesomeness for the GOAT ticker because it got you. It got you. What? Now let me teach you some fibs on this thing. Let me teach y'all some fibs on it. Let's have some fun. I'm teaching strategy this morning. I just feel like goating everybody. Just feel goating. Goating is all over me. Let's see if I can you up. Let's see if it's going to continue up. Let's see if we can get some rejection at 38.2 and catch it going back up. Are y'all up? Are they up this morning? Let's see what it does. Are y'all up? Are y'all seeing it? Now, we have this right here at the 38.2 on this big engulfing that broke the structure level. So what we want to do is watch this to see where we can get the rejection here and watch this come right back up right at the 38.2, right here at 38.2 off this engulfing. Let's see if it go ahead and pop through and we go ahead and catch some more of this going up here. Oh, looked like it, hit that 30.2 and we may have an engulfing going back off that 38.2 to continue us moving up. Who just got goated? Was that a goating this morning? Randy's texting me. Oh, we got something to did y'all catch who got goated right there? Who saw me put them fibs on that thing? Who saw me drop the fib on that thing? Oh my God. Who saw me drop the fib on it? Oh my God, we got a new scalp on the goat ticker. Are you serious? 579. Oh, 579. I said 579. I said 579. Who has respect for the goat ticker now? I'm just asking. Who has respect for the goat ticker now? That goat ticker's pretty an awesome thing. 579. All right, let's see if it goes up. Let's see if it goes up and break above here. Keep moving up. We're gonna watch this. Oh my God. We still have green volume here. We got green dots here. We're just, Randy, I think all we're doing is lining up colors. Randy, is that what we're doing here? Push 1,000. Loaded. New ranks. Chairman popping. I feel chairman coming. I feel a chairman run. Chairman. Look at the goat ticker. Now, I've got to show you something that just came out on the goat ticker. Brandon, we have several goat ticks that just came out. Oh my God. We had another tick on USD JPY. I'm not supposed to be doing this morning. Brandon, we just sent out another tick on USD JPY on the goat ticker. The goat ticker sent out several trades. Look, bro, we've already got this one. That was a good scalp. We did that one. That was good. Somebody said push 1,000. I feel new chairman coming. We got a scalp right here on AUD USD that just came out. And look. We just got another scalp on USD JPY. I feel a push coming. Can someone say push? Can someone say we're finna push? I'm looking for the next 1,000. 1,000. I want you to be responsible for 1,000 people. I want you to be, come on, I want you to be responsible. UJ, they're in blue. Someone took the UJ, they're already in blue. What is going on? Brandon, they already took the UJ trade, bro. They're not even waiting on me anymore. I feel a push coming. Oh, this conference is about to be crazy. This conference in Houston is about to get crazy. 579. Oh, I just took UJ at the beginning of the call. Oh, 579. Blue. Uh-oh. I feel something about to happen. Diego. Frugal Mitch. I feel something about to happen. Brandon, this is about to go crazy. Wait a minute. Are there any chairman on this call? Any chairman on the Go Live? If there's a chairman on the Go Live and you feel a push for 1,000, because I'm going to make you responsible for 1,000 people. If there's a chairman on Go Live and you feel a push, I see Mitch. If there's a, come on, chairman, where you at? You on this Go, I know y'all on this Go Live, man. You feel a push in your spirit. You're like, oh my God, if this is accurate, if this is true, and Spillers made a goat ticker, there's about to be a push, a revolutionary push. Oh, someone's in blue, Brandon. They're blue again. Oh, wow. What's happening here? Let's see. So AUD went up here and hit here, right? So those of you are looking right here. Oh, wow. Look at this. Right off that fib level. What's going on here? Oh, they're blue on UJ? Oh my God, they're blue on UJ. 3 pips up. All right, that's a scalp. You good. That's a scalp. You good. You up 3 pips. That's a scalp. You good. Oh, and it's, hold on. We got to hit it. On it, Brandon. I don't think they're ready. Wait. I got to ask you. Let's go look at UJ. Brandon, it's a crazy morning. I told you I was coming back with a vengeance. It's a crazy morning. Let's see what happened with UJ. No! Oh my God! Get the colors lined up again. Yes, they did. Yes, they did. Wait. What? It's crazy this morning on Go Live. The goat ticker. The goat ticker. The goat ticker. Y'all see where the colors lines up? Hold on. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Come on. Everybody type in up. You gotta type in up. Let's go. You gotta, if you want, hold on. If you want your account to move, you gotta type up right now. Everybody type up. Type it. Type it. All right. Brandon, bro, you're gonna say nothing, bro? What's going
on? I'm just thinking about the next 6 months, Doc.
What the next 6 months gonna look like? Go ahead. Come on.
The next 6 months is gonna be massive momentum. This is what we've been waiting for, Doc. I don't think you understand.
Talk to him, B.
I don't think the people truly can comprehend what's going on right now. I mean, you can get excited because you're making money right now, but I mean, you gotta think a little bigger than this. Like we're taking the guesswork, we're taking the skepticism, we're taking the reluctancy of hopping in trades and figuring out if it's gonna be a good trade to take. We're taking all that worry out, and we're replacing it with the go ticker. We're replacing it with the Trinity. We're replacing it with the triangle offense. We're replacing it with T2 equals blue. And it couldn't have come at a more opportune time. I'm telling you that right now.
Y'all hear BT? Drop sevens if you agree. Drop sevens if you agree. We still live? All right, the sevens are there. Making sure we ain't froze there. All right. They dropping the sevens all over the place. Hey, bro, you got people saying we're proud of this moment. How easy is that? They're looking at the screen. You can't line those colors up? And then that's what you want, this crust, this volume. That's the key right there. This is key. I cannot mark that out enough. That volume, ladies and gentlemen, is key. That's your scalp right there. That's your scalp. That's why you're able to get this scalp right here, because once this volume flushed in, that's when you got that move. You never trade against volume. Never. When you're scalping. When you're what? Never trade against. If you're scalping, never trade against volume. Volume is your number one trade ingredient when you're scalping. What's your number one? Volume. You want the trend, but you gotta have the volume. You want the trend, but you gotta have the volume. You want the trend, but you gotta have the volume. Never trade against the what? Never trade against the what? Now, B, we gave a long-term trade. I know you helped the AU trade. Look, B been calling out this AU trade for a minute. He been saying, AU gonna drop spills, AU gonna drop spills, AU gonna drop spills, AU gonna drop spills. All right, AU finally dropped, just like he called it. He been calling this drop for I don't know how long on AU. All right, now we finally have the EC here, but then how do we mark the triangle offense? We just got this on the go ticker. The go ticker just called this trade out. The go ticker just called the trade out. This is one that Brandon been talking about. He says, Spills, it gotta fall. I said, Brandon, you're right. That joker failed just like he called it. Now watch this. What you drop down to? What's the step? Do you see the volume here? How many of y'all see what the volume is on the 4 hour? Look what the 4 hour is doing. Now, where do we go? We're doing the what? 30 minutes. Wow, B. Do they see that? Optimal entry. Lined up. The color of the candles are still red. But your stop loss is above here. You didn't come close to your stop loss. You would already be up this morning significantly off of that. Now, what needs to happen here is going to pull back, wait for your color combo, red, let it go green, and then catch another red. Wait for a red triangle. You're waiting for a red triangle. You don't have one. It needs to pull back green. You need a green triangle here. This is how easy this is going to be. Now, all you're telling your students is wait for the next red triangle on a 30-minute chart. Right? Sometimes you have to wait for it to load if it's not showing up. So we need a color combo here. We need a green. You can teach your students this. We're waiting for a green triangle. What are we waiting for, guys? What color triangle? Talk to me in the group chat. What color triangle are we waiting for? Now, and then after we have a green, we need to pull back. What color triangle are we waiting for? This is going to be the higher low here. The higher low triangle is going to be what color? Red. Now, you can put a pending order underneath here, but that's a whole nother class that we'll teach because the sell stop can go underneath there. But I wouldn't do it unless I taught the strategy on how to take it. That's a strategy because you can't take that without an EC to give you another place to put a stop loss. See, you can't, that pullback, I want to put a pending order underneath there. Well, where's your EC for your stop loss? So if you don't have an EC down here, you don't have a stop loss to be able to take that trade. So the EC is your protection. Everybody I wish I could say this the way I want. If this was a class that I could teach and I could say it the way I want, your ET is your protection. Never go into your trade uncovered. Do y'all understand that? Your EC is your protection. There's all kind of things out here in the streets of Forex. So you need to be protected. Don't go into trade without protection. Am I making sense? And you want to make sure your EC is covering your trade because if you don't have volume, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't have volume in your trade, you lost. You have to have volume in your trade. That volume is what's holding that trade. And what is that volume? The volume is the engulfing candle. The EC is your engulfing candle. That engulfing candle is holding that trade. If you don't have an EC, you have no protection. If you have no protection, watch this now, your trade, you're looking for a loss. Don't get out in these streets trading. Do not get out in these streets trading unprotected. That's asking for a loss. You're asking to lose here. Brandon, take them out. I want y'all to do this. Brandon, let's talk about what's happening this week at the conference and why they need to be here this week, bro.
Man, so it is November 2nd. No, I lied. No, it is. It's November 2nd, which means we have 48 hours until the I Am United convention kicks off. I'm going to keep saying this, and I just need y'all to really understand, we have not had a company convention in almost 2 years. What does that mean? Guys, we grow from lesson to lesson, right? But inside this business, we grow from event to event. In life, we grow from lesson to lesson. But in this business, in this industry, we grow from event to event. Well, Brandon, why is going to an event so serious? Why is it so important for me to show up? Because energy is neither created or destroyed, but it's transferred. And when I tell you the energy that's going to be transferred into your life over the course of the next 2 days of that convention, it can take your business, it can take your mindset, it can take your skill set to a level that you never even imagined, right? Sometimes you have to take away the physical representation of what life can be and step into the spiritual realm of where you could go. Don't just look at life for what it is, look at it for what it could be. Sometimes you got to step into a frequency that you've never entered. And I know a lot of you. Actually, I would like to know if you could please drop a 1 in the chat if you've never been to a I am not a I am 3, not a Think With Us, not a Powerhouse, not these events that are thrown by chairmen, which are all great. I love them. But drop a 1 if you have never been to a company convention.
Wow. That's a lot of people.
A company sponsored event. Drop a 1 in the chat if you have never experienced that. And I'll end with this. Once you get a taste of that convention energy, it's infectious. It is something about it that takes your business to the next level if you're truly plugged in. And it's not about you being there, it's about you and the people that you want to build with being there. Right? So if you're P1000, you need to get the bulk of your team there. Right? If you're a P2000, you need to get the bulk of your team there. If you're a P150, you need to get your team there. This isn't about going chairman, right? Because there's going to be more than just talk about building and motivation. We're going to have a whole day of education. We're going to have a whole day of going over each product and service and each sector of this business so you really understand what you have access to. You want to be plugged in. And there's going to be some really big announcements that are going to be said and revealed during that weekend. You want to be the first one to hear it. You don't want to hear it from somebody else. You want to hear it firsthand from the horse's mouth. You don't want to be no he say, she say type of experience. You want to hear it. You want to experience it firsthand. Now, what I've heard and what I've seen is that tickets are now 50% off. They're now $120. They have lowered the price by 50%. I need you all to be in the building. I need you all to be in the building. Well, Brandon, what has events done for your life? I'll wrap it up with this. My first event ever speaking was Take Flight, I believe, in Houston, Texas. I was a chairman team. It's my first time speaking at an event. First time the company actually reached out and said, hey, Brandon, what time can you go on? What do you want to talk about? It's first time, chairman team. It was something so liberating about getting on stage and sharing my story and sharing my mindset with the crowd that, literally 2 months later, I went from C10 to chairman 25. My team saw me speak. All the people that had been following me up until that time, they got to experience what could possibly be them if they stayed in it, if they stayed down. Okay, Brandon, you hit chairman 25. That's fine. That's cool. But what else? Well, a month after I hit chairman 25, I had a Dallas convention. After the Dallas convention, on 6 weeks. I need you to hear me. Guys, the massive growth from event to event is life-changing.
Yes.
I think back and I say, what was it? Was it luck? Was it Brandon, you're just a great chairman? Yeah, I'm a great chairman. I'm a great builder. But I also was able to leverage energy. Leveraging energy. Understanding that energy is neither created or destroyed, but it's only transferred. And if you can get in the way of that transferable energy, you can change your life. So guys, November 4th through the 6th, please get your tickets. And not to mention November 3rd, Doc.
November 3rd. Come on,
guys. November 3rd.
Do they see it on the screen? I'm trying to see if they see the screen.
It is going to be a movie at the movies.
It's going to be a what at the what?
It is going to be a movie at the movies. We are taking over Star Cinema Grill in Richmond, Texas, and we are premiering a called a live colors training, where we will go through all the strategies, all the ins and outs of colors, and we don't want anybody leaving confused. We just want them leaving goated. And goated. Goatation.
Guys, are y'all ready? How many of you are going to be at the movie theater? Listen, guys, listen. It's all. Look, I'm gonna have to tell you. All right, we already packed out one theater, and chairmen are plugging in. You got Matt Rosa, you got Jason Brown, you got all these people plugging in. Look, you got Stevenson Lindor, you got Gustavo, my boy there in Phoenix, Arizona. You got all these chairmen are plugging in. Diego, Mitch, all these chairmen are plugging in. Tia Bowden, all these chairmen are plugging in. Mathino, all these chairmen are plugging in. Guys, this move, you can't miss what's about to happen. You can't miss what's about to happen. How many of y'all going to be there for that? How many are going to be there for that? I held it over because I want to make sure. How many of y'all going to be there for that? You got to be in here for the 3rd. That's tomorrow. Tomorrow. You got to be there. The movies. We're doing a live training. Guys, KMO, QMO is going to be there. Look, everybody's going to be there. Tomorrow, you got to be there. Listen, I need you to hear me. We're going over the GOAT ticker. You want to hear that? We're going over the GOAT ticker. We're going over, I have a new HFX strategy I'm going to teach. Randy, what's the name of my new HFX strategy? I'm about to teach a new HFX strategy. I'll be doing that. Look, hey, Randy, what's the name of my new HFX strategy? We're going to type this in there. Look, the Triangle Blitz. I'll be teaching on the Triangle Blitz. It's a new strategy that we're using to help people HFX. It's going to show you how to improve the Triangle Blitz. Is going to show you how to improve the Triangle Blitz. Is going to show you how to improve your HFX trades. Guys, you're not going to want to miss tomorrow. You're not going to want to miss tomorrow. I'm going to show you the Triangle Blitz. How many of y'all are getting excited for the Triangle Blitz? How many of y'all are getting excited? You're going to want to tell everybody about the Triangle Blitz. It's a strategy that we've developed to help you. You really use colors for HFX. And you're going to see this, and it's going to be phenomenal. You're going to want to use it as you really begin to beef up what you're doing with colors. Now, guys, we're doing this on tomorrow. I want you to be there. BT will be there. Several chairmen will be in the house on tomorrow. You can't miss it. Now, listen. I got to get out of the way because we got to go into our next trade segment. That's 1 hour. And in that trade segment, guys, listen to me. Randy and Melinda Martinez are coming on to take this to the next level. How many of y'all are excited about Randy and Melinda coming on? Drop the number 2 if you're excited for the dynamic duo. Drop the number 2 if you're excited for the next 2. Come on, drop the number 2 if you're excited for the next 2 on the Trade Morning Show. The Trade Morning Show doesn't stop. It continues with live analysis of the markets coming up with Randy and Melinda Martinez. We're over our time, but we're definitely out of information. I want you to stay on right now as we get ready to let them come on. None other than my friends, my sister, both of them together, knocking out these charts. Randy and Melinda, get on. Watch this. Don't drop. Add people to the live. Let's go. Let's see here. Stop. All right, listen, y'all on my Zoom. I see y'all. Brandon, we got 62 people on the Zoom, bro. Did you know that? BT, where you at? BT here. We got 62 people on the Zoom. We did a Zoom today for people who don't have colors. If you're here today and you don't have colors, type a 1 in the group chat. If you're here today and you don't have colors, but you saw us trading today, Brandon don't have it. Look at all that. I want you to see the people who don't have it. Tracy, these are people, B, that don't have it. These are all the people in here. There are 62 people in here. And all these 62 people, now, how many of you saw us take these live trades with colors and you impressed? Out of the new people, you've never seen colors, but you saw them take these live trades, and my people already made back their subscriptions just off the 2 trades we gave. Those scalps could have paid subscriptions. How many of y'all impressed? Type in number 2 if you're impressed with what you saw today. Very good. Very good. All right. Colors is a $50 subscription in iMarkets Live. This is the software that I've created, and I created this software so that trading could be easy. I wanted to take the thinking out of trading. Now, how many of y'all saw us just line up colors and take trades? Brandon and I get on here every day doing the exact same thing. But Tuesdays are going to be where we introduce new people to this in a live free program like what you're seeing right now that Brandon and I are hosting and doing right now for you. Now, as y'all are watching this and seeing this and watching and experiencing everything that's taking place, one of the things I can tell you right now is this strategy is helping a lot of people learn. We're putting together this entire educational platform where people are not just learning, they're also finally earning. So many people join our markets and they get recruited. We're not looking to recruit you, we're here to educate you. But we have to show you that people are using a simple system to learn how to trade. How many of y'all are able to see that system and then can use that system? How many of y'all feel you can use that if you're even new to trading, been struggling with trading? How many of y'all feel you can use what you just saw? Especially if we're sending out those GOAT ticker trades to you. Type in the group chat. Let me know if those GOAT ticker trades will help you out in your trading analysis. Type in the group chat. Is there anybody? All right. Brandon says, I believe so. All right. So this is what we want you to do. Get back with us. Now, we have a big conference coming up here on Thursday. We have a big conference coming up here in Houston. You can come to that Thursday conference in Houston. I'm actually teaching colors at that conference for an hour. So it'll be 1 hour conference training, right? On tomorrow night, if you are here in the Houston area, why don't you come out to the movie theater right there in Houston, Texas? Saw the announcements, come out to the movie theater, come join us in the movie theater and watch us trade and listen, teach this actual application live. This is for Wednesday. This is like pre-conference. Brandon and I have rented out an entire movie theater. And what we're doing together is getting people to learn how to trade in this particular forum. So if that's you and you want to learn how to trade, you're not looking to jump around and guess, you want to learn how to trade, you need to get to our events here that are taking place in Houston. Movie theater tomorrow night. We had the flyer up there. I know, I'll make sure you saw the flyer. I'll make sure you see this flyer for the movie theater. Hold on a second. Here. That's right. Let me share this on my screen.
I'm looking at US 30, dog. It's looking real bearish.
It's looking bearish.
It's looking real bearish.
Has she been? I didn't know she was bearish. All right, let's look at that. I have that going. Let me look at my other one. I have that going. Let me look at my other one. So I got to see what I'm going to have going here. Right, thank y'all for getting on. Look, I can't make, but seriously want to learn. All right, Brandon, this is what I want you to do. Listen. I want you to get with the person that invited you to this. All you got to do is plug in to anybody in our markets live. I've been in IM for 4 years now, and I've been giving it to, well, and I have to give it to the GOAT, Dr. Spills. This is the easiest and best strategy to hold my attention and have fun making money. Oh, Sean, hey, bro. Look what Sean just dropped in the group chat. Somebody named Sean James. Thanks, Sean, man. I appreciate it. Anybody else got a testimony like that? Wow, that's pretty phenomenal. Sean says this, I've been in IM for 4.5 years now, and I have to give it to the GOAT, Dr. Spiller. This is the easiest and the best strategy to hold my attention, and I have fun making consistent money. Wow. Hey, that's the testimonies we've been looking for. People like that are saying, bro, I have to be honest with you. Trading is not easy, but this guy's made a program that's made it fun, easy, and simple. We're also teaching you guys not just how to use this program, we're teaching you how to trade, though. We teach you about order blocks, supply demand. I just don't trade Forex. I trade crypto. I just don't trade crypto. I trade stocks, commodities, futures. I do it all. And so I've developed this program to trade on all those platforms as well. So if you're here and you want to trade on that platform, Brandon and I, hey, let's just do this. Let's pull up US 30. Might as well make some money with them. Brandon, let's pull up US 30 real quick.
Let's do it.
Yeah, US 30. Let's see if I pull it up here. That thing still on the foe is moving up. Foe on the dough is moving up. Let's go to 15, but it's finding that rejection at that top. We may get a big drop. Let's see. Let's go look at that 30. Ooh, Brandon. My God. We know the equity is down.
Doc, look at that RSI though.
It's just, look at the volume coming in on 15 too. So we got red volume coming in. Now this is how we do our analysis, guys. We have an engulfing candle here holding this trade, right? It's already dropping on the 15. They're probably already in on it as it's dropping on the lower time frame. On the 3 minute, let's drop to the 3. All right, it's coming in. Look at that volume. Look at it coming down. Once it hits here, it's going to pause. So you got a small drop, at least to this level. TP's here. First rejection level. See what I'm drawing? All right. So now we got this on the 15-minute time frame, right? And we have it selling on every level. See it going down? Yeah. This one here. US 30, right? I'm gonna look at it right now. That sell off is there, bro. Let's see if it hits that. It hit that first TP level I just drew. So we just hit that first TP level on US 30. Let's see if it goes to this next level, and then this 3rd level, and then this is the 4th level here. You see it, B? Now we had a pullback. The 30-minute pullback. Oh no, it is. All right, I'm looking for this rejection here. So it hit that first TP level that we drew. How many of y'all saw that right there in the group chat? That's pretty good, wasn't it? Doc, this should be a Forex trading game on Kids Television. It is. It's coming, bro. We're having fun with it. So now watch this. This is pretty phenomenal right across here. If it sells off, it's selling off down here, and TP's here. We have opening bell in 15 minutes. So this sell-off occurred before opening bell. I like the pullback that's taking place on the 1 minute. I like this 1 minute pullback that's taking place. Let this pullback on the 1 minute. That's showing me that there's a good equity level here that we could look to exploit later. So I want you to mark this equity level. We're going to exploit this later because we have these pullbacks here. So now we got this pullback right here. Right? This is scalping US 30. Now I knew, how many of y'all remember me saying that when it got here, we'll pause? Right there, B. That's where the pause is going to come in. That's our pause zone. This is the place for it to continue on a buy. If it crosses down here, it's in seller's momentum, at least to this region here. You just have to watch it. I think it's going to exhaust here. I just hit the 23.6 on another time frame, on a lower time frame. Let's see what happens here. And sellers are in now. Let's see if they sell it all the way to 830. And then we get a buyback. All right. Let's see it break this level, then we got something. We have a good 1 minute retracement here. All right, we should have a falling off right here. Let's see if it exhausts and go into profit. Let's see if it falls off right here. What you doing, B?
Watching this US 30 stall out at the zone.
Yeah, it's just stall out. I think it's going to continue back down.
We got I mean, at least on the 3 minute chart, it's in the consolidation zone. On a 3 minute chart. Let me see. This 15 minute chart look amazing though.
I'm already looking for the sell-off, at least to once it exhausts, I need that level. But it's drop, 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 drop. All the colors are red. Should be dropping here. You should see a drop. Let's see how far. Let's see how far it goes. People have been waiting for this drop all day, and so they've been looking for it. It hadn't dropped. There's been slapping stop losses because this is a strong buy. People trying to wait. Oh, it's gonna sell off. It's gonna sell off. Man, that 4-hour time frame too high, bro. That 4-hour time frame too high. You gotta have a big drop off on that 4-hour before you can get a big drop off on US 30. So until then, I don't see it dropping off. I see it cycling, making new highs until you get a big drop off on the lower time frame. I mean, high time frame. Till you get that, nobody's gonna do nothing with US 30. They'll give up money trying to catch a drop that ain't there. Here it is on a 15-minute chart. We have this falling off here. There's the equity spot that you want to trade for the sell-off today. Breaks that level of equity, you can get you a good sell-off. Down to this region here. But not right now. I need a sell-off under this level. And then I would love an engulfing to pop up over here. This is the EC. This is the EC. We got 2 ECs on here. Let's go underneath here. That's where the seller's equity is. You may have a buy up at 8:30. Just to let you know that. You have 8 minutes till. That's it. That's one plus 2 here. Yeah. Nope. Not breaking through there yet. I think we're gonna have a buy up because this spot is preserved. And even if it does go down, they'll fake you out by hitting here and rejecting. Watch for the fake sell-off. You have to get in, get out. If they trip out on you. And I see that right here. It's pop here when everybody thinks it's gonna sell off and then everything reverses. We'll do like something like this. And you think it's gonna sell off and then it comes up here and gather all that equity all over again. So All right, we got 4 minutes before opening bell. It's gonna be on. Let's see what's gonna happen at opening bell, baby. I was thinking we get a breakdown right here, but we not. They're holding price at this blue level line here. Holding it right there. So this could be a bounce up because they're holding the price right there. Let's see if they break it this time. Nope. Nope. Not breaking that, baby. And even if it does, I'm watching this lower right here. That's the push up right there. Okay, you're not breaking that level. And guys, I want you to remember this. If price doesn't break a level and it's constant boom, 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 then don't get in that cycle of just bouncing up and down. Let it make a decision and then you make your decision. You got 2 minutes to open the bell, bro. They groceries, she must be coming back. They automate you do. All right, what is it doing? All right, it's holding it. How many minutes we got? 3 minutes. Uh-oh, guys. It's gonna pop off in 3 minutes. Let's see what happens in 3 minutes. Where's my All right, we got 32 seconds. We're working on these last 2 minutes for opening bell. I see where my sell is. Y'all see where y'all sell is? We got 39 seconds to opening bell. – 14 seconds. 9, 8. And then we'll get a buy up. All right, let's see. I'll shoot down. It's going to shoot down. Buying up, buying up, buying up, buying up. Let's see if it breaks that new high. You hit that high. Let's see what it's going to do once it hits that high. That was the high for the day. Let's see if it hits that engulfing. If it rejects off that engulfing and shoots down. See if it rejects off that engulfing and shoots down. We'll see. This is the engulfing. That's what we put it right here. Let's see if it rejects off this engulfing and go to Babylon. We'll see in a second. We don't know. If it doesn't, gotta let this candle finish. Ten seconds. 9, 8. There's a lot of bears there, bulls there, excuse me. We could be caught in a cycle. Unless it breaks the high from yesterday, we don't have anything. The high from previous, the London, we don't have nothing. So let's wait and see what happens. I'm looking at 61.8 rejection on the minute chart, 61.8 rejection on the minute chart. Hold on. She'll go down and hit that sell stop order and go into profit. Let's see if it hits that. Looking for some grabbing equity, and it could snap back right after grab this little equity and go right to a doji. Let's see. Still holding here, still holding here. 15 seconds left with the seller's volume still here. It hit an order there, and that order's just kind of holding it in place right here. So we're back above that level. Remember, I drew these levels for a reason. 3, 2, 1. Let's see what it does on that level. A new candle came out. Let's see if it extends that level down. We need candle to come down here and close. If we don't have it coming down here and close, it don't really matter what this does. It needs to come out here. And if it don't come out here, it don't matter. We want to close out here. If it breaks up here, we're buying. If it breaks on here, we're selling. I would love to sell because there's more space for the sell than there is for the buy. That's why they're not letting it break that level. They know if it breaks this level, it's coming down. So that's why they're letting it break that level. They'll keep it in here so they can consolidate it. They can keep consolidating it all up in here unless it breaks that high. If it breaks the high, it's just going to retest and keep going higher. Let's see what it's going to do. We're in a cycle right now. Price hasn't really made a decision. As you see, that candle is still a doji on the 15-minute. It has made a high and it has made a low. It has made a high and it has made a low. It's going deeper. Look further. That candle has a high and a low on it. It ain't went anywhere. There's one up here, there's one down here, there's one up here, there's one down here. Let's see what it's going to do. Is it going to buy up? I'm starting to see some buyer's volume in there just a little bit, but still holding here for the scalp. That buyer's volume is there. What color is this line? We teach our students to match the line. What color is that line? Green. Well, that's why you got these buyers pushing back up right here. Now, these people are waiting for this rejection right here at this zone and thinking, well, maybe it may reject right here at this level because you've been looking for a sell-off because it's been overbought and overextended for so long. But look how long it's been overextended. It's been overextended since this candle, and it's been riding this overextension for so long. That's why people believe that price is getting tired. So, okay, it has to drop some. This has been overextended for so long, right? And so they're thinking, okay, it has to drop. It doesn't. This thing can come in here and then go right back up here and continue to go up because that's what price wants to do. We don't fight price, we trade with it. We want to watch and see what this does. We're seeing some sellers come in right now. Are those sellers going to push this down? That's what we're asking ourselves. It's finally into that region. I have some testing back here. Let's see if this is the explosion we're looking for. Yep, there it is. Moving down, let's move down to this level. There it is, moving down to that level. Looking right there. And then after it hits that level, we're looking to move to this level. We're going to take it all the way down to, it's probably just going down to grab this equity down here like it did. That was a TP level that was struck right there. That was a TP to TP. It needs to close down here, and you can start looking to start taking it to this TP level if it closes down there. 3, 2, 1. We have some seller equity in that's now. I'm looking for it to go down to 3.5. Possibly 35890, 35890. Right, if it doesn't, we have a low there, but 35890, 35890. Let's see if it goes down to 35890. We don't know. Right? Start securing some profit. If you already went in profit, you can start securing some. That was a good move. Only to get and find another level of rejection and pull back. Look what it did. Got right into this space, found a little space to find an order, and pulled right back on it. So hit a little target area and pull back off that target area. B, did you take some of that profit, or what did you do?
I didn't get in because I looking for the bigger move.
Oh, you're looking for the bigger move? All right. Yeah, because this is small. Look at that.
But that's definitely a great scalp right there. They could have caught what?
300 pips.
300 pips. I mean, that's not really no small move, but
300. You mean with the right lot size? That was like between here and here. It was like 300.
the right lot size. It's a great move.
Hey, are y'all still listening to me and Brandon? I'm trying to see if these people still on here. Y'all still on here?
There are 50 participants.
I'm looking. They're not talking in the group chat.
They might be clocked out.
John Mason. I know John Mason. You know, that negative. The sellers are trying to push it down. I just don't know how far much push it. We're at
I hit that next order block.
uh
It might go back and retest that order block.
all that sellers equity is down here. I'm looking at it on the hour. And the hour is trying to engulf. There's an engulfing candle right here. And this is coming off that engulfing candle. I'm looking at the hour and see what is this, a bigger drop or a smaller drop? You just never know. But it's definitely hitting this area right here where this wick is on this doji. And what we want to do is close under this doji right here. And the doji level is important on the 1 hour because it's really messing with it on the 5 and the 1 minute. So this little doji level here on the 5 and 1 minute is important. That close right there, that one close is important on the 1 and the 5. And so it pulled back here on the 1 and the 5, that structure level is important. Right now it's breaking underneath that level. That's what we wanted. Instead, break underneath that level. We got that negative equity. We want it to stay down there. It needs to close underneath it. And that's his problem. They don't want to close down there. So it needs to close underneath 35, 9, 10. 35, 9, 10, and you'll get another seller's push to 35, 8, 90. Just don't want to go down there. Let's get down there. Let's go. Let's go. 35,872. 35,872. All right, it's dropping some more. Big boy. Y'all seeing this live? Let's see if we get to the flow. Change my stop loss. Move my stop loss to 35,926. Let's see what it does. I don't want to be bouncing back and forth. Let's see if it closes back above that level. Hey, Terry. Terry just landed in Houston. That's Leilani. Oh, they're here. We got to go get something to eat. All right, it's dropping. I'm moving my stop loss to 35,926. Well, the stop loss is 35,926. It's probably gonna kick me out. I'm seeing if I could at least get some headway. It'd be a big old pullback. It's right at the 38.2 level. I'm at 35,910, 35,910. And I know this broker wants to go back and hit the stop loss I just put in. Let's try to go down. Let's see if we get another push down. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Then we get another push down here. This broker don't want to move. Yeah, he going back up. All right. Thank y'all for being on this live.